Have you ever made a sandwich, a salad, or a smoothie? If you have, congratulations! You've already done kitchen chemistry. Cooking isn't just about taste. It's also a perfect way to explore how mixtures and pure substances work in real life. Your kitchen might be the most delicious science lab of all. Let's start with the basics. A mixture is made when two or more substances are combined, but they don't change into something new. That means they can still be separated. Some mixtures are easy to spot, like a bowl of trail mix. That's called a mechanical mixture, because you can still see all the parts: the raisins, the nuts, the chocolate chips. Nothing has disappeared, they've just been combined. Now think about something like lemonade. When you stir sugar into water and the sugar dissolves completely, you can't see it anymore. That's a solution. In a solution, the parts are mixed so well that they look like one thing, even though there are two or more substances inside. You can't separate a solution with a spoon or a strainer. You'd need something like evaporation to separate the sugar from the water. And then there are pure substances. These are made of only one kind of particle, like table salt, sugar, or clean water. If something is a pure substance, it can't be separated into other parts by physical means. In the kitchen, an example might be olive oil, straight from the bottle. Just one liquid ingredient with nothing else mixed in. Let's put all that together with a snack example. Imagine you're making a taco. The tortilla is a pure substance if it's made from just one ingredient, like cornmeal. The ground beef with seasoning, that's a mechanical mixture. You can still see the different spices and bits of meat. Add salsa, and you've got a chunky mix of chopped tomatoes, onions, and herbs. That's another mechanical mixture. Now stir in some melted cheese. If it blends smoothly into the salsa, you might be forming a solution. Add sour cream or guacamole, and your taco is packed with multiple types of mixtures and pure substances, all in one bite. In science class, you might use filters, screens, or evaporation to separate mixtures. But in the kitchen, your tools are forks, spoons, strainers, and your taste buds. Understanding how substances behave in food helps you cook smarter, and shows how science is part of everyday life. So next time you're in the kitchen layering up a snack, look closer. You might just be doing chemistry without even knowing it. Here's your writing challenge. You're going to write a procedural text, a recipe for a layered food that includes mixtures and pure substances. Start by choosing a simple layered food, like a taco, salad, sandwich, or a dip. List your ingredients clearly. Then, write clear step-by-step instructions for how to make it. Make sure someone else could follow your directions. As you write, explain which ingredients are mechanical mixtures, which might form solutions, and which are pure substances. Use science vocabulary where it fits, but keep your tone friendly and clear, just like a real recipe.